In this video, we will learn how to rearrange PDF page in order 1 to 3. As you can see, I have 10 pages which I will convert into a PDF. Go to Photoshop. Click on the File menu. Click on Automate. Click on the PDF presentation. We will open all our pages at once. So you can see the pages are random. Now click on the Sort by Name. Click on the Save button. Click on the Save button again. Click on the Save PDF button. We will open the PDF file and check it. Thanks for watching the video.